Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to KICKnology. It is your boy Truth, and look at this, man. Just got home from work, and look what I get to come home to every day. Here, say hey, Asa. Say hey. Say hey. Hey, that's my dog, Asa, man. So, yeah, I just made it home, and I'm pretty sure I should have a package somewhere. Let's see. Definitely should have a package somewhere around. Yeah, right over there, boy. Y'all see that package right there? Straight from Nike. So, I do have an unboxing for you guys. So let me go ahead and get in this crib, sit down. Let's do this unboxing.
No synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. KICKnology.
Alright, so what's up, everybody? Hey, if this is your first time tapping into my channel, checking out KICKnology, I appreciate you guys stopping by, man. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. Hit the like button, hit the share button, turn the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop any videos. Do all those great things for your boy. Today I have an unboxing for you guys that another sneakers got them. I actually been doing pretty good on the sneakers app, so I ain't gonna keep bashing them. But so I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box. This is not my personal pair. I actually hit for someone else. So you know, did some wheeling and dealing and stuff like that. So yeah, man. So as you guys can see right here, we do have this black Nike box, and we do have that ambush right there. This is my first time actually seeing a pair of ambush dunks in person. We have this size tag right here, which is a 6.5, which is a ladies 8 Nike Dunk High Ambush Atomic Green Black Flash Lime. The retail was $180. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this box. Like I said, super excited about this. So as we open up this box, you see right here, we do have that Nike Ambush paper right there. We're gonna go ahead and flip this thing to the back. Ooh, these things bright, boy. And as you guys can see right here, we do have the Nike Ambush lime green, bolt green, atomic green. So let's go ahead and get these things out the box.
We got the answer, but faith is important. Bo knows the answer, taught us to cross Jordan. When we crossed Jordan, the nation went bonkers, redeemed us, and now we compete under armor. Believers and warriors, golden like Curry. Got favor, no worry, just jay up and bury, just jay up and bury.
Let's go ahead and talk about these things a little bit. So as you guys can see here, we do have this predominantly lime green, atomic green colorway. The leather quality on these shoes are pretty dope, man. As you guys can see right here on this toe box, not bad. You see that little bounce back action. You feel what I'm saying? Tumbled, you know, but as you guys can see, it's picking it up very well. The leather quality is very good on these. You have that all lime green everything, the outsole, the bottom, everything. And then on the back end of the shoe, you do have that ambush on the back. And one of the most things, the iconic things, the biggest features about this one is these extended Nike swooshes. I'm not sure how I feel about them, but you know what I'm saying? Look like some chopsticks. You feel what I'm saying? You see that back here, but it's like it is plastic, so you can see the bounce back action on that as well. And then you do have this collar back here on the back of the sneaker on the booty, so it's like a collar on the booty, a booty collar. Anyway, so as you guys go around the front of the sneaker, you do see that ambush logo right here. On the tongue, man, they got these things laced up tight, but you do see the ambush logo. You have the lime green laces right here. They're like wax laces if you ask me. But on the inner side of the shoe, we do have the exact same thing as the outer side. You just have that extended Nike swoosh right there. You do have a couple of other sets of laces that go with these things that I would probably do if this was my shoe. I would definitely go with the black pair, but you do have the black, and then you do have the white laces. I don't think the white laces would look dope in this, but in my opinion, that black will break up some of this lime green, and that would be very dope. On the inside of the shoe, on the insole, we do have that ambush on the insole. I'm not gonna pull it out. Like I said, this is not my pair, but yeah, man, overall, not a bad looking sneaker. If you were able to get your hands on it, the retail was $180. The resale right now is sitting at right around $300, depending on the size, maybe just a little bit more, but I'm thinking maybe $350 max that you would have to pay for these, but you probably can get them for $275, somewhere like that. You feel what I'm saying? So $100 over retail is not bad if you're really digging this vibrant color, man. You gotta want these things. You know what I'm saying? You gotta really want this sneaker to go after, in my opinion. You feel me? So y'all let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think about these? Are these a must cop for you or not? So that's all I got for you guys, man. Y'all let me know down in the comment section how y'all feel about these sneakers. Which ambush colorway do you like the most? Is it this one? Is it the black and white ones? I really wanted those panda ones, so that's probably my favorite one. Was it the royal one, or was it the pink one, which was, I don't know, the pink was kind of like this one. Like I said, you gotta really want those sneakers to actually keep them, you feel me? But hey, I appreciate you guys as always. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, head over to IG, follow your boy at KICKnology on IG. I appreciate you guys. Hey, rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man, please. It's getting crazy again. And remember, these shoes behind me, this dunk right here, it's just bait. A way for me to share my faith. You guys be blessed. Love you guys. Catch you on the next video. Peace.
No synthetic, if they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too.